A new day brings a new, unique strategy that hardly anyone knows about. It's been tested, works efficiently, and doesn't require anything extraordinary to get started. This strategy is exactly how my students and I have moved closer to our financial goals. All you need to do is watch this video carefully until the end to learn how it works. Let's set everything up first and pick today's key players. Oh, and don't be afraid to start small. You can even begin with just one. Many of my subscribers started that way and now make hundreds every day. My main settings are on default. Today's key players will be... Alright, adding a few stocks here. All set. Don't forget about the MACD indicator. It's our lifesaver in tricky situations. Time to get started. If I said indicators are our lifesavers, but you're still confused, then welcome to my club. There we have more time than on YouTube, and I'll be right by your side, explaining everything step by step. Even beginners have no difficulty getting it. The link is in this video, in the description and pinned comment. For now, access is completely free for everyone. Let's start with these guys. We see that the level was broken and the price impulsively returned to retest that level. The indicator confirms our thinking, so most likely we'll see a rebound downward here. What did I tell you? And we're just getting started. Let's move on. Let's check out this pair. Switching here, we see there was a previous rebound off a level and now we're back at it with another rebound. This means there is not enough momentum to break through. Unfortunately, the indicator isn't much help here either. It's showing uncertainty with all the lines crossing. We'll rely on the chart and go down again. Well, I made the right choice. My prediction about the chart movement was spot on. Let's move on to the next step. Now we're looking at Apple. Switching again. This time we're going up. Both the chart and the indicator point to an upward trend. And there it is, another prediction confirmed. Guys, the key to my success isn't just experience, it's also my private club. I share live trades daily and help beginners get started. Over 20,000 members are already working with me. Don't miss your chance, click the link in the description to join us. Alright, let's keep going. Next up is Cisco. Here is what we see. We've hit a new high, followed by a correction, which ended when candles with long lower wicks appeared. Let's confirm with the indicator. The blue line is turning upward and crossing the pink line from below, which backs up our analysis. So we're heading up to continue the trend. It worked perfectly, and I'm not slowing down. Let's keep moving. Let's circle back to these guys. Alright, we're cautiously approaching the level and breaking through it. The indicator lines confirm this. So we're moving up. Let's get to work. Everything was calculated perfectly. If you are still unsure about the right time to start, let me answer that. It is now. Only the 15 people who register with my promo code will get this gift. Click the link in the description and send me a message saying I want a promo code and claim your gift from me. But don't wait. Spots fills up very fast. I hope you make it into the group of lucky ones. And by the way, according to YouTube rules, I must warn you that there are still risks involved, although I've done everything possible to minimize them for your comfort. For now, access is absolutely free. Alright, let's make a few more trades. Another pair, once again we're heading up. We can see a strong trend with a minor correction, but the indicator doesn't show a reversal, so I expect we'll continue upward. Another successful move. Let's wrap up today with Apple. Making the final switch for today. We're anticipating a reversal. Let's confirm with the indicator and head straight up. This is how you can achieve these kinds of results starting small. It might seem like a dream, but it's real. When you see results like this from a single session, it's clear how successful traders get luxury cars, expensive homes, and premium accessories. If you want to learn from a professional trader, here I am. In my investment club, I personally support every member. You can ask me anything, even simple questions like which buttons to press to use the trading platform. I'll explain everything in detail, step by step. My channel is still free for anyone interested. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment under the video and send me a private message.